Today we are going to learn about this opening text mask special effect. First, open VideoAE. Click Make Video to enter the production page. First, click Resource to import the video material we want to make. You can add it from the album or in the material library. Then create a text layer. Enter the text we want to display. First, set the duration of the text layer to be as long as the video material. Then select a thicker font in the font style and scale the text layer to a suitable. Click the Center Align button on the top. The text will be automatically centered up and down, and then adjust the left and right distance of the text through Adjust. After adjusting, select the video material layer. Slide the bottom toolbar to the end to find the Matte button. Select the first alpha effect. You can see that the screen is filled with text, and finally add an animation effect to the text. Select the text layer again. Click Transform below. The time hand is fixed at the position of 0 seconds. Light up scale and then click the button of pen to modify the value. The data can be improved larger. For example, if I want to set it to end in 5 seconds, I will move the time hand to the position of 5 seconds and then modify a smaller value to just display the text on the screen. Finally, adjust the duration of the layer. Find the duration button in the tools in the lower left corner and set the duration to be 500 milliseconds longer than the 5 seconds just now. Preview such a simple text mask animation and you are done.